How's it going, everybody? What's going on, YouTube? All right, today's another day. It's Sunday, approximately 2 p.m. Beautiful day outside. I hope it doesn't rain. I don't think it should. Let me go check the. I gotta check this weather. Let me quickly check this weather. Your lock. Hey, yo, buddy, you lost your lock. Your lock. Your lock fell out. Thanks, man. Well, he didn't even hear his lock drop. Wow. Yeah, anyhow, I gotta change over this thing because if I want to do long rides, I gotta be able to go the distance without anything heating up or anything like that. So every so often, I'm checking this damn fuse, man. Not good. So before I start making long excursions, I gotta make sure that the bike is in working order, if you know what I mean. Billy J. The other video, I had the mic on my chain, and that's how you kept on hearing is the chain. So my apologies for that. I won't be doing that again. But yeah, I'm back on my way back to CJ Bikes to get this installed, new wiring and the circuit breaker. So if it heats up, it just trips it instead of blowing a fuse. I don't want to be caught out there with a fuse that's blown. No way. I'm hoping it works. In theory, it should. We'll see. And as you notice, I have a chest mount that the camera's on. So I'm going to be trying different angles, like I said before, different ways of shooting it. And let me know in the comments what you think is the best for your views. If you think this is a better way, or just put it on the mount right here. This mount, just put it up. I did it with the selfie stick, but I think that selfie stick that it came with shouldn't be used for motor vlogging. I have to get a different selfie stick for that, more durable, so it could take the impact. I made a short today. Go check it out. It's about the one where the guy and his little kid were riding across the road, and this driver wanted to turn right, but he was only looking right while he was moving forward and smacked right into him. You really got to be careful on these streets, man, Ian. They're raw. They are raw. NSX. It's wicked. Go. So we have like a 20-minute ride maybe. I'm gonna take my time. I don't want to pump this thing too much. See? So I'm not the only one riding on the sidewalk. Like, everybody does it. In the suburbs, everybody does it. It's the only way, because these roads are like highways over here, man. So in the comments, just be aware of what you're saying and why you're saying it. I honk my horn. Let me check this thing. See, I keep checking the fuse. But so far, I'm pleased with the bike. The throttle's working out good. The mirror, as dinky as it is, working out good. The new battery. The only thing is, I'm waiting for the new controller. That's the only thing with this bike. Once that's done, I'm done. But it's more like, were those girls doing what I thought they were doing? I don't know. And it's only the rear suspension, really. I don't really care to change the front, just because I don't do high impact stuff. So it's just basically the rear shock that I want to change right now. Yeah, maybe if I change the wiring, boost up the wiring a bit. And because I have 14, so I ended up buying 10 gauge. So hopefully with that and a breaker, I can maybe up the amperage a bit. Maybe to 32, 33. See how it goes. But I don't want to risk it until I get this completed. Like, I don't know why there's no bike lane here. You want people to ride on the road? Put bike lanes. Right now it's like 30 degrees outside. It's so nice. It's a little warm. What the hell, yo? What the hell? No, sorry, Bob. This whole tree just fell, man. Yeah, so when I get this, when I get the breaker installed, I'm gonna put it to the test by putting 32 amps to the motor and see how that works. And I'm so glad this camera has that GPS display function. It's like a one-click thing, man. It's, rather than going in, getting a program, doing this, doing that, it's just a click of a button. Definitely the best camera for moto vlogging, biking, adventure trails, whatever. Definitely the best camera. I seriously think the reason why I'm not getting the speed that I want out of this is because of the weight. There's added weight onto this bike. Like, this battery is so much heavier. It makes the bike so much heavier. Gotta watch it around here, I tell ya. My all-time favorite, Korean barbecue, right there, Chaco. Oh, look, a bike lane. See, same. A lot of people do that. They go forward and not look. Like, just bad drivers, man. Bad drivers. Gotta be aware in this place. That smells so good. That's what I feel like eating. Chinese food. It's a nice little dog park. Oh, I just ate a freaking bug. Yuck. There's more trails that go down there. I wonder where that goes. I should check that out one day. Oh, this sidewalk ends? What the heck? Nah, man. Looks like some bullshit. Oh, did I tell you this bike can ride on grass too? A little bumpy, but still works. Birchmount. I guess they expect you to walk on that side over there. Oh, woo, that was close. And then you can't even go. Like, what the fuck, man? See what I mean? Watch, I'm gonna reverse now. Hey, the light's red. Do a little bit of pedaling. Haven't done this in a while. Yeah, for 1,000 US, you can't beat this bike, telling ya. See, I'll ride on this because there's no cars. I'm not riding on no main road though. And we are here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blocked off this whole driveway?